Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for June 4th, 2024. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Not a whole lot going on. Surprisingly, a fairly quiet day overall. The Dow up 126, while the S&P up less than 5 points, and the Nasdaq gaining about 43 points. So again, closing from one day to the next, not a big difference. The Russell was the only one that made a bit of a move here, down 27 points, again struggling to get back above the 20. Crude oil down 90 cents here off the lows, but continuing to drag lower, while gold down 22 and silver down $1.10 today, closing below the 20 for the first time in a while. Bond yields mostly lower and the dollar higher here, sitting currently at 104.13. Now, yesterday we talked about Bitcoin looking pretty good here, and it does. It continues to look good. So it's followed through. It's broken that high from yesterday, and this trade looking like it wants to get to new all-time highs, which are not far away at all. And after, a fairly lengthy consolidation, I mean, it's hard to call this a consolidation, but more or less, I mean, we were pretty much range bound here. Looking pretty bullish right now. So if it does get to new all-time highs, this one can move. Now, another one, SC, which in my opinion, not quite ready yet, but is getting there, does have a buy signal here on the daily. Nice slope, closing at the high of the day. Looks pretty good. 70 days away from earnings. Higher time frames are aligned. My only issue with this, and the reason why I don't think it's ready quite yet, is because of this action here. And if we put our volume by price indicator on, you can see that we haven't quite cleared it. I would prefer to wait until we clear 90. Now, as you know, I'm very conservative, so um, you can look at this a little differently, but to me, until we clear the absolute highs of this range area, I'm not fully convinced. The other thing is, if you look at the month, yes, we've crossed the 20, but we haven't retested it. We haven't retested the 20. We haven't taken out a prior high. So, it's not 100% confirmed that the trend has changed, and that's why I hesitate here. But remember, all we have to do is put it on a watch list, and the second it clears that key level and confirms on the higher time frames, then we're good to go from there.